Hey guys, welcome to Etsy Shop Reviews. This is episode number 63. We're going to be taking a look at a Etsy shop submitted by one of you, the viewers. This one's going to be interesting because it is a digital download shop that looks like it's leveraged AI quite a bit, and they've achieved a little bit of success. So this is definitely going to be a fun one to review, and I can't wait to show you guys the shop. Let's get to it. All right, the shop is Win Arts out of Tampa, Florida, and you can see they've got, you can just tell it's a lot of AI generated graphics, but these are like really high end. What does it look like? Maybe Mid-Journey? There's so many of these AI art generators now, but if I had to guess, I'm gonna venture a guess that these were AI created. I could be wrong. By the way, look at how they're using their banner space. They have like their shop branding, add a touch of cuteness to your space with our adorable art. So they've got a themed shop. Great color scheme, by the way. I love that. The way the gold, the electric gold shines against the blue. And then they're offering 25% off when you buy 5 or 40% off when you buy 10 or more. So I love that. That's great usage of their shop's banner space and incentivizing you to become a customer of multiple products at one time. Now let's see what you've got your shop stocked with. Looks like a lot of cute, furry, little friendly animals. And I mean, hey, with AI, you can tell it to generate whatever you want. And it looks like you are doing quite a good job of generating what appear to be high-end graphics. Now, how do you frame these, right? Are you just banking on someone coming to Etsy and typing in, cute panda, sleeping panda, something like that? This is where it gets kind of like interesting, right? Because in terms of a keyword strategy, like should there be more repetition of the word panda, since that is essentially what the animal is? You know what I mean? Panda art printable, panda digital download. Panda digital print, Panda AI, you know what I mean? Something like that. Obviously, you've got some really nice looking thumbnails, which doesn't surprise me. You've got an attention to detail and you've got an eye for art. That was that was definitely something that came through just in your selection of what you're selling here. So that doesn't surprise me at all. But it is interesting because the digital download space with the AI art, it is pretty flooded. Which makes a lot of sense given the low barrier of entry. There's 1.5 million YouTube videos teaching people how to do this. And beyond that, then if you just, open an Etsy shop and go for it, right? Which a lot of people I think are watching the YouTube videos but not actually following through. I do commend you for getting this far. Then the next step is just, are you willing to run ads? And before you run ads, are you creating these well-optimized listings? I did notice that you've got a lot of your art watermarked. That is not a bad idea at all. It's kind of subtle, but it is there. So that's, definitely a good idea. Well done there. Well played. In terms of your price points too, you got, that's not a small price point, $4.49. And hey, if it's working, go for it, right? That's something that is debatable when it comes to digital downloads. How much should you be charging? And, by the way, my most successful digital download is a vector bundle. I charge $9.99 for. By the way, I said it already. I was going to surprise you. I was going to say, but it's a bundle, right? It's a bunch of, I sell all of the individual assets contained in it individually for, I think, $1.99, which, I could drop it to 99 cents, but I'll do $1.99. I think that's a little bit better with Etsy fees and whatnot. But then I offer the bundle for $9.99. It's kind of like the all-in-one option, the compelling value proposition option. And no surprise, that is the best seller. At least, again, I'm not going to tell you what the niche is, but in terms of scope, like that to me is, and it's like, but Ryan, you're losing money. What if they just bought all of them for $1.99? Yeah, but they have to actually go looking for all of them. When they see the bundle with everything included, it's one of these things where it's like, okay, don't think twice, just buy the bundle at $10, Plus it's digital download. That's all profit, you know what I mean? Unless there was some ads or anything. Some of these graphics are really nice. Like the cute tiger in mug. So this is where it's like, what should your keywords be? Like cute tiger in a mug. I'm venturing a guess that people aren't really searching that on Etsy, right? When we type that into the search bar, like what are we really getting here? Not really anything similar. You're the only person with the cute tiger in mug. So perhaps maybe prioritize targeting some more general keywords and phrases. You know what I mean? Like cute tiger. We can just type that. And then if you've got the Sales Samurai Chrome extension, notice we have the ability to hone in on quite a few more potentially profitable keywords. Okay, I just click the 500 more. Sorry for interrupting. I wanted to let you know that linked in the description, you can find my free print on demand mini course that is completely new for 2023. If you sign up, it'll help you get your first sale. And down there, you'll find a link to my print on demand Facebook group. I hope you'll join the community. And you can actually see here, that it's got, you can scroll endlessly through all of these. It looks like a lot of them towards the top include LSU Tigers. So you'd want to probably scroll past that. We don't want to infringe on any college university because that's, a lot of them take that real seriously. So LSU, JSU, I would skip right past those if it sounds like Mizzou Tigers, Detroit Tigers, anything like that. Definitely do not get caught up infringing on. But besides that, like Tigers, SVG, I don't know if you actually have the SVG, but Too Cute SVG. I mean, hey, Too Cute SVG, maybe, right? I would say a lot of yours are very cute. So if people are out here searching for Too Cute SVG, go for it. You know what I mean? SVG Cute Halloween, SVG Tiger Cricket. You know what I mean? So I mean, it may not be, if it's not optimized for the cricket, you probably don't want to include cricket. But all I was trying to show you is that your keywords are probably going to dictate a lot about who finds your products. Because I think something like, you've got the high end, like real high quality graphics, but how do you frame them and communicate to Etsy what keywords, what phrases that people actually search for to associate them with? That's where you're going to have to like figure out how to bridge that gap. Like, and I'm not saying that you don't know, because you have 129 sales already, which is commendable, but what's stopping you from getting to 10,000 sales, right? And I mean, I think you actually have like really quality listings, like not just the graphic itself, but it's framed well. You've got a lot of nice additional thumbnails and whatnot. So you've got the potential to really break out and maybe focus on like just a handful of listings, maybe the ones that have sold, right? Go to your ones that are actually making sales, because that's where it's most justifiable to spend additional time enhancing the listing quality. And if you're not running ads too, by the way, like when you start seeing repetitive sales, like it looks like this turtle right here, we can already see has sold a few times. You got the tiger in a cup right there. If it's sold, that's validation from the customer that, hey, you can go spend a little bit more time on that listing. Beyond that too, Sales Samurai, they have the search function. If you have the extension, you can also, cute tiger, click get suggestions. This is in the listing creator. They've got a bunch of Etsy seller tools that you can use to leverage. You just got to be careful, again, scroll past the ones that may not be. But also, this is good because you're using AI, so you can just type in the prompt and it'll spit out whatever you ask for. Like if you're doing well in the tiger niche with your digital downloads, why don't you go and expand on tiger themed listings? Basically they're data mining Etsy, doing the work for you here on Sales Samurai. So that's something I just wanted to show you here on the listing creator. Besides that, though, it looks like you're on your way. In terms of a digital download shop, the fact that you've already got 129 sales, you should be proud of yourself. And I would say keep doing what you're doing. Maybe double and triple down on what's working. I think you can probably enhance your keywords in your titles and in your tags too, most likely. Tools like Sales Samurai obviously can assist with that. So I hope you'll check them out. I'll link to them in the description if you're interested. With a digital download shop, you do have a little bit of profit margin, so you can afford to invest in tools if you see a reason to. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you found it useful. If you've tried to sell digital downloads, let me know. Have you been successful so far? Do you have questions? Do you have feedback? What do you like about this shop? The shop is Win Arts. I will link to it in the description in case you want to check out what they've got going on here. And as I sign off, I wanted to remind you I have my full print on demand course that includes the complete Etsy module that covers every aspect of selling on Etsy and succeeding as an Etsy seller. In addition to that, it's my entire complimentary approach to succeeding at print on demand. So you get the research module, the design module, the Etsy module, Amazon module, Redbubble module, Walmart module, automation module. You get everything with your enrollment. You can find out more using the link in the description. I hope you'll check it out. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week video.